Watercolour techniques have long been used for botanical art, as the paints replicate the textures of plants and the translucency of the petals and leaves so beautifully and accurately. At the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, we're dedicated to preserving these natural history traditions that date back centuries and are still important today through our world-class teaching programme. I'm Rachel Pedder-Smith, a botanical artist at Kew for over 10 years. As you progress on this introductory course with me, we'll create a botanical painting of a sweet red pepper, also known as a bell pepper, using washes and other watercolour techniques. During the course, we'll cover a range of techniques to ensure you're observing the pepper closely and capturing its form and colour in our painting. You'll learn how to prepare your specimen, sketching techniques and observation skills, colour mixing techniques, how to apply washes and ways to create different textures with paint. Through exclusive videos and step-by-step instructions, you'll create your own botanical watercolour painting, learning my techniques and approaches for quality results. Follow at your own pace, watch the videos as often as you want and create your own realistic artwork using the exclusive kit. We've taken this popular Kew course online so you can get started from the comfort of your own home. So enrol today and get started on your journey into botanical illustration.